Now, in this video, we shall understand that other than air, if there is a conductor between the plates of a capacitor, what would happen? Or there is a dielectric between the plates of a capacitor, what would happen? Would the capacitance increase or decrease? That is what is our query. Okay, so now let us understand what we are talking about in this page. Behavior of a conductor and dielectric in external field. First, let us understand the behavior of a conductor and then of a dielectric and compare it and understand it. Let us place a conductor in between the parallel plates of a capacitor. One plate is positively charged, another plate is negatively charged. Definitely, there will be electric field from positive charged plate towards the negatively charged plate. Fine? Okay. Now, in between I have placed a conductor. As soon as I place a conductor in the external electric field, free charge carriers inside the conductor will move, will drift, and they will distribute themselves in such a way that the electric field due to the induced charges opposes the external field. Okay, so what will happen? As soon as I place this conductor in the external electric field denoted by E naught, there will be free charges which will be induced by the external electric field, and these induced free charges will drift, will move, will distribute themselves in such a way that they produce an electric field. So, if at all the external electric field is denoted as E naught, then the induced electric field will be denoted by E in. And as you can see, the directions are opposite, and this process will continue unless a static situation is reached. What is a static situation? Inside or on the surface of the conductor, there is no current. This we have already learnt in the previous video. So, in static situation, when no current is there inside the conductor or on the surface, the E naught will be, that is the external electric field, E naught will be equal in magnitude but opposite in direction of the E induced. So finally, we will have the net electric field 0. That is E is equal to 0. Net electric field E is equal to 0 inside the conductor. The other places which we are able to see, electric field will be there as it is. Only the space will be reduced, D will be reduced. This full portion is D as seen in the formula. This